Seal the deal, understanding a popular English phrase. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, seal the deal. This expression is commonly used in both business and everyday conversations. Understanding its meaning and usage can significantly enhance your English communication skills. So, let's get started and explore what it means to seal the deal. Seal the deal is an idiomatic expression used to describe the finalization or successful conclusion of an agreement or arrangement. It often implies that an action or gesture has clinched the agreement. The word seal, in this context, means to confirm or make something definite. When you seal a deal, you finalize an agreement, ensuring that it is agreed upon and binding. Understanding the origin of phrases can often help in grasping their meanings better. The phrase, seal the deal, dates back to times when sealing wax was used to close letters and documents, symbolizing confidentiality and authenticity. In agreements, a seal was a legal mark that finalized a contract. This historical context gives us a clear image of how the phrase came to signify concluding agreements firmly and definitively. Seal the deal is versatile and can be used in various contexts. In business, after weeks of negotiation, we finally sealed the deal with the new investors. In personal scenarios, he sealed the deal by sending her a bouquet of her favorite flowers. In general conversations, the impressive presentation sealed the deal for their team's victory. To expand your vocabulary, it's useful to know phrases and words with similar meanings. Clinch the deal, finalize the agreement, conclude the arrangement, set the seal on. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, seal the deal, and how you can use it in different contexts. Remember, idiomatic expressions like these can add color and precision to your English. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be able to seal the deal in any conversation. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning content.